So we also talked about NZD/USD. So I'll quickly break this down. So NZD/USD is a bullish trend, right? The H1 here, we can see this trend. Very easy to understand when you look at the H1. This has been bullish trend. You can see how price has been moving. These are the moves on NU. This has been bullish ever since, right? So this here is the new high price created. So what we see here is just price has been retesting the previous key level. So when you drag across, you can see that level here has not been broken. That level has not been broken. So price created that high. So let's keep it simple here. We have something like this going on. So price created that high. This level here is being tested and it has not been broken. So this remains a very good trade, and everything we see here are just rejections. Everything here are rejections. So this remains a very good trade, and like I said from yesterday, the TP is right here. This is our first TP, and the second TP is the next high. So this one here remains a good trade. Price is taking its time before it finally makes the move. So if you had entries anywhere around here, you should still be in about 30 pips, 45 pips stops.